We interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert. Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Bibb County Sheriff's Office and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a silver 2017 Honda Accord with Georgia tag CSW 5695. On February 20th, 2023, Malachi Walker, a 4-month-old black male, was abducted by Eternity Beeman Allen, a 13-year-old black female, and was last seen at 5451 Bowman Road at Publix in Macon, Georgia. The direction of travel is unknown and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the silver 2017 Honda Accord with Georgia tag CSW 5695 or the whereabouts of Malachi Walker, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and or the CSend app for iPhone and Android users.